Officer in charge or team leader, the one who directs the processing of the crime scene.
Assistant team leader, the one who implements or executes the orders coming from his or her superiors. Evidence man, the one in charge in the collection, preservation, tagging of the articles of evidence found at the crime scene. Photographer, takes photograph of all pieces of evidence that are relevant to the crime committed. Sketcher, makes sketches of the immediate background and inside the scene of the crime. Master note-taker, the one who writes down in a shorthand all observations at the crime scene such as weather condition, time of dispatch, and the time of arrival at the crime scene and other relevant data that should be taken down note. Measurer, makes all relevant measurements of the scene such as the distance of the body of the victim to the firearm used in motor vehicle collision, the distance of the two vehicles to the point of references.